Fixing the issue prompting a reload of the page on Ometv is relatively straightforward. Today I'll guide you through resolving the reload the page or click the restart button error. This error typically arises due to regional restrictions. At times, Ometv may not be accessible in your area, leading to these recurring errors. So how can you rectify this? Simply navigate to a new tab and search for Warp. Warp refers to a virtual private network VPN provided by Cloudflare. It allows you to privatize your network, thus preventing Ometv from detecting your location. By doing this, you can regain access to Ometv without encountering the error. Once you've found the Warp website 1.1.1.1/warp, proceed to install it. After installation, activate the VPN. This action will shield your network, ensuring that Ometv is accessible without any hiccups. Upon activation, you'll notice a change in your network status, indicating that it's now private. This adjustment enables seamless access to Ometv, eliminating the need for constant page reloads or restarts. In conclusion, by leveraging Cloudflare's Warp VPN, you can effortlessly bypass regional restrictions and enjoy uninterrupted Ometv viewing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in resolving the error and enhancing your Ometv experience.